The QUECOO T12-959 Soldering Station Kit is a portable and precision-designed tool, making it easy to carry with its compact dimensions. A clear LCD screen provides specific digital information, allowing users to easily adjust temperature and settings with a simple knob turn. The soldering station features a powerful 75-watt output and a wide temperature range from 150 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius, heating up rapidly to 300 degrees Celsius in just 7 seconds. User-friendly operation is ensured with a straightforward button and knob interface, supporting functions like temperature locking, auto standby, and auto sleep. The package includes everything needed to start soldering immediately, such as the soldering station, a metal handle, soldering tips, and a power cord. QUECOO offers a 1-year guarantee and lifetime after-sales service, demonstrating confidence in the product's quality and commitment to customer satisfaction.